Here's the Dewalt 9-piece toolkit here, perfect for any home or a job site that you need. It has everything that you need. Let's go through it a little bit, what we have in this unboxing, and we'll talk about later in another video what each piece does and how it works. All right, so we start actually. All right, so this is the 20-volt kit, but this charger, the DCB112, which comes with it, works on a 12-volt batteries to charge them, or the 20-volt batteries, lithium-ion batteries here. This is the DCB203. It comes with two batteries of the 20-volt battery here. Batteries, the Dewalt 2AH battery over here. With here the Dewalt reciprocating saw. This one does not come with its own blade. You will need to get the blade on the side. This is DCS381. The circular saw does come with its blade right here, right in the package. And this one is the DCS393. All the manuals come with it. Each manual comes separately with the kit over here. It also comes with the oscillating multi-tool here, DCS356 over here, with its accessories right along with it. I have here the right angle drill. Is the DCD740 over here, and it does not come with any accessories. So this comes also with the grinder over here. The handle that comes removed, you can just screw it right in there. You do have this tool over here just to screw it in, and this is the DCG412 over here. It comes here with a drill, DCD771, and then we have the impact driver over here with the DCF885. And no kit is complete without the actual light. We need to see, right? So this one over here is the DCL040, a job site light over here. Perfect, be portable and for the garage. We need to keep the workers working, so we have the job site Bluetooth speaker here to get some music going on. And let's see what the actual number for this one is. It's upside down, DCR006 over here. And it does have the plug on the back of it, a place for the battery, and the connection for the Bluetooth on the side over here. So you just connect it from here and charge it from here. And to keep all these together, they come with these huge bags. The dimension for these bags is 20 by 11 by 11. They seem to fit all the tools in there with these two bags perfectly. Keep them together and keep them organized. This is a great kit. Has everything you need in there. It does have a pocket inside, a large pocket too, to separate things. Another large pocket. I think this is the is it the 6-pocket one or the 4-pocket one? All right, it has 4 pockets in there. So this is the 4-pocket bag. Great bag. So the kit actually has everything you need in there, including the manuals to figure out how to use everything, the batteries, the charger, and all the goodies. Batteries, the Dewalt 2AH battery over here.